Right, let's create a cool little bass line using MIDI tools. And in this case, we're going to use a MIDI transformation tool. And we're going to just start off with basically one line in this clip. Now we've got arpeggiator. If we go to steps of, say, 0, it'll basically arpeggiate them at this rate. This is a rate of 8. So we can increase the rate. Okay, which is super cool. But if we want a bit of a gap between the notes, we can just reduce the gate below 100. Or we can even overlap them so they go over, but because this is a mono instrument, we won't really notice anything there. And then we can do steps. So basically, this is 0, 0 steps. We can add another step and it will just play the next step. And this is at 5 scale degrees up, right? So if we just increase it, say to 6, it will just, or 7 or 8, it'll just bring the note up. And I think the default is 12, so basically up an octave each time. You just keep going until you find something that you like. Then we can even add more steps. And we can just mess around with these styles. Okay, and we can just now increase the rate until we get something that we like. Super cool. That's Arpeggiate, and that's a cool MIDI transformation tool. But let's just bring this down to 1, and we just increase that gate so it's just kind of longer notes here. Now we can go into chop, and we can basically chop the notes into 2 parts, right? Or as many parts as we want. So every note that's been selected is being chopped, basically. We can even add some gaps in there. I know it doesn't sound great, I'm just trying to teach you guys how this works and how to use it. So we can just go back to gate and just reuse that gate. Increase the steps and the different styles, random. And you can really create some crazy stuff.